Calm down. There we go. Okay, so as with every video we ever do when we're out on the bike, we'll start it from this point. On the same roads, because that's where we go. Where are we going?
Somebody very kindly bought you tickets to the tulip fields in Warwickshire because they thought you buy tulips quite often, so you must really like them. So for Valentine's Day, you were gifted tickets to the tulip fields.
I was.
And you're really excited about it, aren't you?
I am, yeah.
Because you're really looking forward to the Dutch street food.
Oh, can't wait.
And you're
I'm so adventurous in my cuisine exploration that, yeah, Dutch street food I wake up every morning thinking, yeah, fix me some Dutch street food today.
Yep. So, you know, that person that got you them tickets is just so thoughtful to tick all these boxes that are in your bucket list.
Let me just point out that Emily just got caught ruining the audio. But she thinks she didn't get caught, but she did.
I like my visor open. Sue me.
But yeah, so we are heading to the tulip fields at Hatton, which is just outside Warwick.
Yeah.
And then we'll see what's going on there. So is it just a field with flowers in?
Yeah, they do early, mid and late varieties of tulips, so there should be something there all year round. You book a time slot to go, so we're booked in at 11 o'clock. I don't think once you go in, I don't think there's a limitation that you have to be out after a certain time, but it's just to space it out a bit, I think. But yeah, I don't know, I'm just looking forward to it. I love a tulip, so I'm hoping that I can buy some. You can buy cut flowers, but I don't think that's sensible on the bike, but I'm hoping to buy bulbs.
Right. For next year?
Yeah. So I can plant them in the autumn and they'll flower next year, hopefully, because although I'm going to have to find a squirrel defence, because I'm sure that's why I've only had one that's actually turned up in the garden this year, because the squirrels will not eat. I think they eat the bulbs or they do something. They sniff them out, ruin it for me.
Yep.
So I've seen people that when they plant them in pots and stuff, I think they put gravel and bits over the top just as a defence.
Yeah, squirrel's a menace.
He really is.
But, yeah, so we'll head over there. Have a nice bimble. And then I guess we can catch up with everybody after that.
Yeah.
Everybody's watching.
My stick's stuck.
Oh! I don't like marshmallow. Oh.
I'm going to eat this one like an ice cream because I got to a sticky mess just with the last one. Because I put it between my biscuits, then I bit my biscuits, and my marshmallow content went
everywhere. Is it on your nice jacket?
It's not on my jacket, it's not on my nice new t-shirt.
Oh no, I can't do it. I'm sure it's lovely, but not for me.
I'm so excited. This place looks lovely.
excited.
So excited! And there is other bits of food if we want
There
other
is.
stuff.
Yeah, really nice place, isn't it? And the Land Rover there, look.
Following you into it.
Great, isn't it?
You almost like, it's been done like it's its own little place that you could forget where you were.
Yeah. Well, the surrounding's quite nice. Hatton. Yeah.
I would love to go see the actual tulip fields though in Amsterdam.
We're at the tulip fields?
That would be amazing if you want to take me there.
Yeah, just take yourself there. Close your eyes. They haven't got a windmill. I can't believe what you've just had the audacity to do.
You offered me some flake.
Not a whole flake.
You've got ice in your nose.
Where? Oh, yeah.
But look how pretty.
What are you doing?
Huh?
Get out of that clog.
Have you got all the clog in?
Yes.
I know, there's children queuing.
Get out the
children
clog.
queuing, I should get out.
Get out the clog.
Well, you have not took me to Amsterdam. This is my next best thing.
You're a child.
I'm having a really good day. I'm dragging you along with me.
You
will
are.
smile by the end of today.
Stratford next.
Yes.
Are we doing this?
I could see you were about to lean and sit on the bike,
am.
weren't you?
Might do a Dobbs and push it over. Cars keep going past, don't they?
They do. But we have had a nice day out. It's been really lovely. You really enjoyed your Valentine's Day present
I
to
have,
the
yeah.
tulip fields, didn't
I went to
you?
Tulips.
You did?
I went to Stratford.
Yes.
I had a crisis in the shop because there was too many people.
You had lots of sensory overloads today, hadn't you? You got covered in marshmallow.
I did.
And then caused a crisis.
Yep.
And then, yeah, it was very people-y in Stratford.
The tea room. The
Yeah.
Fourteas tea room. It's lovely in there.
With
A
cake.
Huge cake.
Yes, that was
And then
lovely.
a massive pot of tea.
Really big pot of tea, yeah.
It must have been a big pot of tea because for the first time ever in, how many years? 13 years?
Yeah, I didn't finish it.
Emily didn't finish a pot
I
of tea.
didn't, because it got a bit too stewed.
Oh, that's the excuse she's using. But yeah, no, it was a
what
lovely
I'm gonna
day.
Really
We're going to make
good.
our way home,
Yeah.
get some dinner once the cake's worn off,
Yeah, I'm not hungry yet.
get you back in the workshop.
Oh,
Finish
take
off
off
your
my
Honda.
lovely new road skin clothes.
Yeah, and put all your scruffies back on.
I know, but
Yeah.
I have. Like, these are so comfy.
You impressed? Good.
Very impressed. Very
Good.
comfy.
Right, let's get home.
Let's go. Sounds like a plan.
Thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thank you for joining us. Hit like, hit subscribe, follow us along.
Got to buy me a
still
coffee.
have.
Yes, I got in first.
I was not ready. Yes. Buy me a coffee, not to buy us a coffee, but we do have stickers and things on there. If you want to buy us a coffee, we're always grateful. Goes towards our tea and cakes on days
it
out
does,
like
yeah.
this, which is lovely.
Yeah.
But yeah, we do. We have stickers and things available on there.
Yeah. See you in the next one.
See you in the next one.